It wasn't big. Wait. What I'm brewing. Wait.
A few moments later.
That was a big one, to be fair. That was worth it, man. There it is. Do you like that? Excuse me. Huh?
This has got to be my best burp.
I was already here.
That was the biggest burp I've ever seen in my life. Sorry. Yeah,
break down this, like, wow!
What you mean now? Oh shit, I'm on mute.
Where's this dude?
I'm wondering.
Knifed. Excuse me. I'm back to our fucking chunder. Oh my god. Oh my god. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Suck your mum's left flat.
Oh, I've been kicked.
Enemy target identified.
Oh, sorry.
Enemy train.
Excuse me. Excuse me, that was a good burp, to be fair. Oh my god. That was ferocious, that one. Oh my god. Oh, that was a good one. That was sick.